Reams, here comes our unboxing. Go ahead, Daniel. Go ahead and open it. Alright. Okay, pull the paper out. What do you see? What is it, buddy?
Elevator.
What is it? It's an elevator button? What kind? What kind is it, Daniel? Cheese. No, say what kind is it?
Elevator button.
What kind of elevator button is it? Can you tell? Let's see. I don't know. Let's take a look at it. Let's look at this. Wow. Thank you, Mr. Andrew Reams. Daniel, say thank you, Mr. Andrew Reams. Good boy. Daniel, look up here and smile and say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good boy.